Today we're going to be looking at the Mode Envoy, and we're going to be looking at a build that is crafted very closely to Mode's original vision. We're going to be building the green colorway together with tomorrow switches and tomorrow keycaps. We're going to be doing a foamless build for today, although later on you can expect more videos with different combinations of different builds. What we're using today are Mode's original keycaps that are created from a mix of PBT and ABS. From my experience of using them for a little bit, they tend to sound a little bit closer, I think, to the GMK as opposed to PBT keycaps, although there is a slightly deeper sound, especially noticeable with the spacebar. But at the same time, it still sounds much closer to ABS in my opinion than PBT. Regarding the sound, it's really important to bear in mind that the sound profile tends to be a little bit more of the clacky profile. You can obviously try to mute it down with foams, but I think in case of Envoy, you will be kind of going against the whole idea of the keyboard. So I would suggest you to embrace the clackiness and try to lean a little bit more into that sound profile. Overall, the Envoy is a great keyboard that has beautiful aesthetics, great build quality and amazing sound. The great thing about Envoy is you can still get it in stock. In the UK, for example, Prototypist still has some stock, I believe, or you can go directly to Mode's website